Hello, students. Good evening. I hope everyone's paper went well. So, I'm going to discuss the solution of today's NEET 2026 paper and start with the analysis of chemistry. Chemistry में 16 questions came from physical chemistry, 13 from inorganic, 14 from organic, and practical chemistry, 2 questions. If I were to rate the difficulty level, it was easy to moderate, rather more on the easier side. And the questions were very NCRT based and very conceptual. Also, with regards to physical chemistry, the calculations were not very lengthy, they were pretty simple. Inorganic was more of NCRT concept based. Organic, the conversions were very easy. And practical chemistry से दो questions they were very easy. Overall, the chemistry section of NEET 2026 was easy. Let's start with the questions. So, match the following काफी सारे questions आए for today's NEET 2026 paper. So, इसमें they were testing like 3 to 4 concepts together, and it was mix of like many of the things related with the particular concept. So here, the first question starts with conversions, and you have to match the list of the reactions. The first one is isopropyl benzene, which is toluene updating to phenol. Now, this conversion is industrial preparation of phenol, which is done by reacting with oxygen, that is oxidation, followed by water NH plus. So you will match with second acetic acid to ethanol. Now, acid to ethanol can be converted by using NaNH4. Option में नहीं है. So the alternate reaction was converting acid to ester and then reducing it. So it will match with third, where the acetic acid with methanol will change to ester, followed by the reduction with H2 in Ni to ethyl alcohol. The third was propanol to propane to isomeric conversion है ये. So of course the conversion will be first elimination reaction by the even mechanism of H2SO4 heat and then hydrolyze करके the volcanic addition electrolytic addition reaction करके converted propane to one. Then benzene phenol of course matches with the first one when benzene reacts with OEM to form benzene sulfonic acid. उसका sulfonic salt बनता है. उसके बाद फिनाइल बनता है या फिर ऑक्साइड बनता है and then the acidic hydrolysis converts to it will match with third, so it will match with second, third, fourth, and first. Second, third, fourth, and first. That is option number 4. 47th, the major product Z in the following sequence of reaction is. The first reaction is ethyl chlorination in UV light. Non-chlorinated product मतलब this will form ethyl chloride. And this ethyl chloride with ammonia would form ethyl amine. Simply nucleophilic substitution reaction. This ethyl amine reacted with NaHCl followed by hydrolysis. It's a conversion of a primary amine into an alcohol where the NH2 gets substituted by OH. So the overall reaction converts the ethane to ethanol, and the major product said is ethyl or option number 2. 48. The qualitative analysis BIP plus is detected by appearance precipitate of BiOH solid. Calculate pH for the following equilibrium exists at 298 Kelvin, where BiOH solid is in equilibrium with BiO plus and OH minus. Of course, the solution having OH minus indicates a basic solution. मतलब जो K दिया है that is for the base which is Kb. Up to find the pH or the base, हमें find करना पड़ेगा pH. उसके लिए हमें find करना पड़ेगा OH minus and OH minus के लिए हमें चाहिए alpha C. Alpha जो degree of dissociation या concentration C, neither of them is given. What is given is the Kb value. Now, the reaction of KIOH of the monthly solid दिया हुआ है, मतलब इसका concentration तो हम usually consider करते हैं, so that will not be a part of the equilibrium constant. So, अगर मैं इसका concentration C लेता हूँ तो ये 0 0 ये C अल्फा और ये multiplicable होगा. This is initial and this is at equilibrium. And if I apply the Kp, it will be just the concentration of the ions in the product side and not the solid part. तो ये हो जाएगा अल्फा स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर. अब मुझे ढूंढना है अल्फा सी, तो मेरा अल्फा सी का वैल्यू होगी रूट ऑफ Kp, which is equal to root of 4 into 10 raised to minus 10, which will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 5. OH minus is your alpha C, and that is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 molar. And then for POH, power minus log of the number, मतलब 5 minus log 2, and that will be equal to 4.7. अब आपसे pH पूछा है, so pH will be 14 minus POH, which is equal to 9.3, and that will be your answer. That's option number 3. Next, and 49, when 1 dm cube of CO2 gas is passed over hot coal, CO2 gaseous is just over hot coal gas carbon solid. We know it's a famous reaction which converts into carbon monoxide gaseous. Volcano gaseous mixture after complete reaction at SCP becomes 1.4 dm cube. Composition of the gaseous mixture at SCP. Initial, we have 1 liter of CO2. सॉलिड का कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं एट द स्टार्ट 0. अब फाइनली यहाँ पर अगर ये 2x बनता है नॉट एप्लीकेबल, तो ये 1 minus x हो जाएगा. नाउ एट द फाइनल स्टेज 1 minus x plus 2x का टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द gases is equal to 1 plus x दिया हुआ है 1.4, तो x की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 0.4 लीटर, which means that the volume of CO monoxide will be 2x 0.8 liters cube, and volume of CO2 1 minus x, which is equal to 1 minus 0.4, which is equal to 0.6 liter. Yani CO is given at the start 0.8 of CO and 0.6 of CO2, which is this combination. Answer is option 3. अगेन हम एग्जांपल क्वांटम नंबर्स फॉर बाय से रिलेट करना था. अब n, which is the azimuthal quantum number 0 1 2 3, corresponds to your orbital s, p, t and f. बस with this simple information, n2 है, l1 है, तो फिर प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर 2 ये हो जाएगा 2p मैच इज विद सेकंड. 4 के साथ 0 4s हो जाएगा, 5 के साथ 3 5f हो जाएगा, और n equal to 3 and it should be equal to 2, ये हो जाएगा first. 2 3 4 and 1 is option number 1. The number of living atoms present in the organic product section by the following reactions respectively are. First reaction, benzene का fluorination है, 6 moles of Cl, यानी excess हो गया, with n hydrogens, AlCl3, absence of light, यानी dark and cold condition. This is the first reaction where the electrophilic substitution occurs at the benzene. All the positions giving you benzene, hexachlorobenzene, hexachlorobenzene, and benzene का chlorination 3 moles of Ca2. ये at high temperature करते हैं. This is an addition reaction where सारे double bond टूटकर the chlorine atoms add across a double bond and total 6 chlorine add करके बनाता है BHC. इसको benzene hexachloride या IUPAC में hexachlorocyclohexane. chlorine atoms कितने हैं? तो फर्स्ट में भी 6 है, सेकंड में भी 6 है, आंसर भी 6 and 6. The following reaction sequence X and Z are. First reaction is ethanol with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride gives you plus PCl gives you N-propyl chloride. And the byproducts of PCl5 are PCl3 and HCl. तो X phosphorus chloride है या phosphorus oxychloride. Then the N-propyl chloride alcoholic के साथ Y लिखा है. Y is the equalization product which is protein. प्रोटीन का HBr ऐड करते हैं, but reaction है in the presence of C6H5CO twice O2 जो कि अपना benzoyl peroxide है, यानी NTMR के थ्रू एडिशन होगा, and through the NTMR HBr के साथ addition will not give is profile, it will give N profile. तो ये हो जाएगा N profile. X है आपका POCl3 और आपसे X Z पूछा है, Z will be N profile bromide. POCl3 and N-propyl bromide. Answer is option 4. Okay, ट्रांजिशन मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस को कैटालिटिक रोल के साथ कंपेयर करना है. So V2O5 is the famous catalyst of contact process, which is the preparation of H2SO4 on a large scale from SO2. Fe is the catalyst of Ebers process, which is preparation of ammonia from N2 and H2 mixture. ना पैलेडियम क्लोराइड. बाकी जो दो ऑप्शन बचे उसमें पॉलीमराइजेशन ऑफ एथाइन और ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ इथाइन टू इथेनॉल. ना इथाइन टू इथेनॉल या फिर इथीन टू इथेनॉल इज द फेमस वेकर प्रोसेस. उस वेकर प्रोसेस में पैलेडियम क्लोराइड का कैटालिस्ट यूज करते हैं. पैलेडियम क्लोराइड इज द फोर्थ. First cycle is going to match for polymerization of alkanes. Again, alkanes उनके polymerization में जनरली हम निकल या प्लेटिनम के कॉम्प्लेक्सेस यूज करते हैं, तो या टाइटेनियम कॉम्प्लेक्स करते हैं. सो बेसिकली द ट्रांजिशन कॉम्प्लेक्सेस आर यूज्ड. इज अगर आपके 2 भी मैच हो जाते हैं तो ए इज गोइंग टू मैच विद थर्ड. तो ए का थर्ड मतलब 2 and 3 तो निकल गया, एंड एफ is matching with 1. B का 1 है, थर्ड 1, उसके बाद C का फोर्थ है जो हमने वेरीफाई किया, एंड D का सेकंड. तो दो भी मैच चलते हैं, वुड हैव योर आंसर ऑप्शन 1. Identify the correct statement about ClF3. In organic chemistry, the ClF3 structure typically. So chlorine has 7 electrons in the outer shell. उनमें से it bonds with the 3 fluorine atoms. 3 electrons bond pairs बनाएंगे, and there will be 2 electrons as lone pair. Now the hybridization of this is sp3d because there are 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs equaling to 5 formators required for hybridization. sp3d इसका geometry होगा trigonal bipyramid. Trigonal bipyramid, बट डिस्टॉर्शन की वजह से जो शेप हो जाएगा दैट विल बी शेप. तो मैच इट इज अ टी शेप ज्योमेट्री. ओके, टी शेप ज्योमेट्री. यहाँ पर क्या मेंशन ज्योमेट्री इन ऑल द ऑप्शंस. If you match the geometry, then there should be 2 lone pairs. Okay. क्योंकि यहाँ कोई भी ऐसा ऑप्शन नहीं है जहाँ पर टी शेप ज्योमेट्री और टी शेप, उन्होंने शेप का मॉडल यूज किया है और ज्योमेट्री यूज किया, तो एक ही ऑप्शन वैलिड है एक्चुअली. टी शेप का ज्योमेट्री टू क्लोन पेयर्स ऑन द फ्लूइड एटम बिकॉज़ ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड ज्योमेट्री में क्लोन पेयर तो गलत है, प्लेनर ट्रायंगल ज्योमेट्री गलत है, टी शेप ज्योमेट्री क्लोन पेयर भी गलत है, एक ही ऑप्शन वैलिड है. तो what they imply is actually the shape only with the lone pairs. Clear the EMF half cell given below. Platinum H2 with HCl, E not 0 है, so it's a standard hydrogen electron SHE है, and आपको EMF find करना है. EMF of the electrode is equal to E naught of the electrode minus 0.059 या approximately 6 by 2 into log to the base 10. ये रेशियो के लिए you need to write the reaction. Reaction क्या है? H plus aqueous gains 2 electrons from the H2 gas. और H2 का concentration, sorry, H plus concentration 0.02 molar है. This is 2 atmosphere. So if I apply, this is the pressure of H2 upon H plus concentration, the whole square, which is minus. Okay. So तीनों जो है वो SH का तो 0 होता ही है, जो दिया भी है, minus 0.03 into log to the base 10, 2 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 का square, which is 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. तो ये 2 हो जाएगा. So ये 100 into 100 ऊपर जाने के बाद 2, which is equal to 50. So minus 0.03 into log of 5 into 10 raised to 3, which is minus 0.03, and this will be 3.7. So 37 into 3 times 21 and 11. 7.1, so it's negative 0.111 वोल्ट के आसपास. नेगेटिव में 2 ऑप्शन है और -0.1 से आपका रिलेशन ऑप्शन नंबर 4 is the answer. That's according to the Nernst equation. मैंने कॉलम ऑर्डर दिया है यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट. रेट कांस्टेंट का यूनिट इज गिवन बाय मोलारिटी is to 1 minus order second inverse. Zero order के लिए it matches with molarity in mole per liter per second, which is the first one. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर के लिए मोलारिटी वाला टर्म निकल जाएगा तो पर सेकंड. सेकंड ऑर्डर के लिए मोलारिटी का इनवर्स, which is liter per mole per second. And third order reactant, molarity raised to -2 liter square mole raised to -2 and per second. And order 1, 2, 3, and 4. Option number 2. Explain the magnetic moment of the I3 plus 3D. A spin on the magnetic moment, yeah, force electron is given by square root of number of unpaired electrons n into n plus 2, which is equal to root of 2 into 2 plus 4, and is equal to 2, which is equal to 2 root 2, which is equal to 2 into 1.414, which is equal to 2.828 force magneton Pm. And इसका शॉर्टकट इतना ही है कि जितने अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं जो फोर्स मैग्नेट्रॉन है, दैट इज ऑलवेज एट नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉइंट समथिंग समथिंग. तो 2 है तो 2.3 है तो 3 and so on. Option 1 was the direct answer. Two products X and Y are formed in the following reaction sequence. Benzene का methyl chloride reaction in Ni plus ClCl. Riedel Craft alkylation है, so your W compound is toluene via the Friedel alkylation. Dilute HNO3H2SO4, which is nitration reaction. So X and Y. Now methyl is OK directing, so you will get the nitro at ortho. Nitro at the ortho and para position. Now the chlorine के ortho or para position will get nitrated and get two products. Now the suitable method for separating the products, let's say X and Y है. These compounds have a difference in their boiling points. First, it is a distillation method, and ortho and para. If I talk about the values, 222 degrees Celsius होता है ortho का, 238 degrees Celsius होता है para. The difference is less than 20 degrees Celsius, and that's why it will be separated by fractional distillation. In a test tube containing a salt, a few drops of dilute H2SO4 were added, which gave colorless vapors having a smell of vinegar. Vapors turned blue litmus paper red, identify the correct anion. A hint question में है vinegar का smell is related with acetic acid, तो अनायन एसिड से रिलेटेड होगा and the answer is option 1. Five reagents that reduce nitriles to primary amines. Nitriles is cyanides RC321 and the primary amine is RCH2H2. This is via the reduction reaction and reduction के reducing agents क्या हो सकते हैं? LiNH4 followed by hydrolysis CS. This is a correct reagent which converts a cyanide to primary amine. In fact, this is a famous Mendes reduction. SNCL. No, this is correct because SNCL आपका सीक्वेंस रिडक्शन है जो साइनाइड को एल्डिहाइड में कन्वर्ट करता है बाय पार्शियल रिडक्शन. स्टीफंस का रिएक्शन है, मतलब ये नहीं है. H2 रिडक्शन चलेगा तो ये अमालगम इथेनॉल रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट ये भी कम करेगा. ब्रोमीन एक्विस एनोवेश. नो, दिस इज इन फैक्ट ब्रोमीन बटर जैसा रिएक्शन है तो ये करेक्ट रिएक्शन नहीं है. तो ए सी एंड डी ओनली वुड बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Identify the incorrect statement. Carbon has ability to form p pi multiple bond with itself. Yes, carbon does form a double and a triple bond and उस वजह से p pi multiple bond डेफिनेटली कर सकता है. तो ये करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. ECl3 जहाँ पे E बोरॉन एंड एल्यूमिनियम है इज अ मोनोमर एंड E इक्वल टू सॉरी ECl3 E इक्वल टू बोरॉन एंड एल्यूमिनियम इज मोनोमर. E B के बराबर होगा and timer when E is aluminum. Yes, BCl3 जो है that exists as a monomer but aluminum exists as AlCl3 twice or better it can be Al2Cl6. वो dimerized होता है and that is correct. Oxygen exhibits only industrial oxidation state. Incorrect. ये आपका आंसर भी हो जाएगा because oxygen -2 के अलावा -1 एग्जिबिट करता है, -12 एग्जिबिट करता है, 0 भी एग्जिबिट करता है, पॉजिटिव भी एग्जिबिट करता है up to 2. So these are the various oxidation states which are possible for the oxygen. And mode of detonation, कार्बन का highest detonation होता है and on silicon, germanium और tin goes on decrease. Although product plus 3 oxidation state is more stable than noise, cerium shows +4 oxidation state because cerium has the atomic number 58 and the configuration is xenon 4f2 5d 0 and 6s2. Cerium जब अपने 4 electrons lose कर लेगा तो it will have xenon and the inner configuration because 4 electrons will be lost from 6s and 4f. So cerium will show +4 oxidation state because it achieves the 4f0 configuration which is given as the option number 4. Electron gets redominates and होता है. After losing one more electron acquires 4f14. The initial element है 4f0 configuration. atomic number 61 नहीं है, आंसर 4 है. During assigned test, the element present in organic compound converted from बस असाइन टेस्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कोवैलेंट होते हैं एंड टेस्ट करने के लिए दे शुड बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द आयोनिक. So for better testing, the covalent form is converted to the ionic form. Option 3. The number of hydrogen atoms present in 5.4 gram of urea. Simple question. यूरिया है H2NC डबल बॉन्ड O H2. मोलर मास हो जाएगा 14 to 16 32.28, that is 60. Molar mass 60 ग्राम पर मोल. हाइड्रोजन आइटम 4 है तो नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स will be equal to यूरिया के मोल 5.4 अपॉन 60 इंटू इसके मॉलिक्यूल्स हो जाएंगे मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एवोगैड्रो नंबर 6 into 10⁻23 and उसके अंदर एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन 4. This goes with 10 And this will be 16, 21.6, 10 raised to 22, which is 2.16 into 10 raised to 23. पावर के साथ the correct answer is 2.16 into 10 raised to 23, option 1. The pair of molecules that are metamers. Metamers, here you need to search a polyvalent functional group and attach with different carbon chains on either sides. Monovalent functional group देखते ही you can rule out the option, ये तो हो नहीं सकता. Ether is a polyvalent functional group and number of carbon is 1, 3. यहाँ पे 2 definitely ये आपका आंसर है. उसके बाद ether aldehyde एक दूसरे के functionalize बना सकते हैं and ये alkane के straight और पंचम chain lines बना सकते हैं. Metamers is only option 2. Identify the incorrect statement. Phosphorus C2H thrice, arsenic C2F5 thrice. D pi bond with transition metals. Group 15 में phosphorus, arsenic have the e orbitals which can be utilized to form the pi bonds with the d orbitals of the transition metal atom in the complexes. तो अगर ये ligands की तरह काम करते हैं तो ये अपने d orbital pi bond form करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. So this is definitely a correct statement. Nitrogen can form d pi with oxygen. ये तो गलत है. Nitrogen as a second period element in the absence of weak orbital. So it can never ever form a d pi p pi or p pi d pi bonds. तो ये गलत है. Nitrogen can form p pi p pi medical bond with itself. Yes. And triple bond में pi bonds p pi p pi होते हैं. As well as arsenic and show catenation property. Yes. Group number 15 में नाइट्रोजन को छोड़ के बाकी एलिमेंट्स कैटेनेशन प्रॉपर्टी शो करते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली फास्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी. तो ये भी करेक्ट. Phenolphthalein is used as an indicator for titration of NaOH with oxalic acid. The color change near equivalence point is NaOH ब्यूरेट में रहेगा, oxalic acid conical flask में रहेगा, and acetic nitrate इसका जो colorless change है that will be become once you add the NaOH and equivalence point पे flux in the colorless will change to pink. That is phenolphthalein indicator reaction. A simple match of the bonds C2H4 is your ethene, which has 5 sigma and 1 pi. C2H2 is acetidine, which is 3 sigma, 2 pi. Methane is a saturated compound having 4 sigmas. Ammonia has a lone pair and 3 sigma. सिंपल मैच था तो पहला हो जाएगा फोर्थ से, सेकंड हो जाएगा फर्स्ट से, मीथेन हो जाएगा थर्ड से, अमोनिया हो जाएगा सेकंड से. तो 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3 and 2. Option 1 is the answer. Very simple question. At a certain temperature during the process, 500 joule is absorbed and 200 joule work is done in the system. Change in internal energy. According to the first law of thermodynamics, delta U equal to Q plus W. Internal energy delta U find करना है. 500 joule absorb हुआ, यानी plus 500. 200 joule work is done by the system on the surrounding. Negative bulk is 200. So it's simply 300 joule का answer. Straightforward question. Methane reacts with steam at 1273 Kelvin in presence of nickel catalyst to form water gas. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Option 1. Compound P, C8H8O, gives a red orange precipitate with 2,4 DNP. C8H8O D comes to be 2 is 16 plus 2, 18 minus hydrogen 8 divided by Q, that is 5. Apart 5 BU definitely aromatic compound बेंजीन तो है ही, and 2,4-DNP reaction, it can either be aldehyde or a ketone because DNP test is for carbonyl and does not reduce Felling's reagent. Felling's reagent reduce नहीं करता, मतलब ketone तो नहीं है. But Felling's reagent test is also not given by the aromatic aldehyde. मतलब वो benzaldehyde भी नहीं हो सकता. तो benzaldehyde अगर नहीं है तो ऑप्शन 1 and 3 तो रूल आउट हो जाता है. तो हमारा बचा कीटोन. And if for 8 carbon atom ketone बनाओ तो it has to be the acetophenone. मान लेते हैं अगर ये acetophenone है तो आगे क्या बोलते हैं? Drastic oxidation with formic acid gives an aromatic compound that produces effervescence. Yes. Drastic oxidation करोगे तो ketone में group oxidize हो जाएगा into carboxylic acid and the carboxylic acid can give effervescence with NaCO3. तो confirm हो गया. Combination is acetophenone with benzoic acid. टोलुइन तो नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज टोलुइन में ड्यू अच्छा है, तो ये तो ऑप्शन वैसे भी रूल आउट हो जाता है. Solution of copper sulfate is electrolyzed for 10 minutes with a current of 1.5 ampere. Mass of copper deposited at Guildford is. Okay. So this is according to Faraday's first law of electrolysis, which says 1 Faraday charge is equal to 96,500. I'm taking the approximate value. Lipids or deposits 1 gram equivalent of any substance. Copper का 1 ग्राम इक्वलेंट होता है 63 डिवाइड बाय 2, 31.5 ग्राम इक्वलेंट. और चार्ज जो एक्शन पास किया है दैट इज I into T, 10 into 60 seconds into 1.5, ये हो जाएगा 300 कूलम्स. इसके लिए मास कितना होगा ये आपको पूछा. X will be equal to 300 into 31.5 divided by 96500. अप्रोक्सीमेटली अगर हम बात करें तो ये हो जाएगा 94.5 डिवाइड बाय 1000. Sorry, this is not 300. 60 into 1.5 would be 9. Okay, so 900 like that. This is 9 and 31.5 times 9, 45, 15, 28, somewhere 283.5 divided by 965, 0.29 के आसपास आंसर है. आंसर is option number 4. So simple first, Faraday's first law of equalizer. The function group that can be identified through the Therian dye test. Therian dye test is the phenolphthalein test, which is related with the action of phenol and anhydride in the ratio is 1 to give phenolphthalein, which is used as an indicator. Of course, it is a test for phenol group option. The next statement with regard to secondary structure of DNA or RNA is DNA. This is a single strand because DNA double strand structure होता है. RNA single strand, yes. Helical structure and contains thymine as one of the 4 bases. नहीं, thymine base नहीं होता, uracil होता है. ये भी गलत. DNA possesses a double strand, yes, and contains thymine as one of the 4 bases. तो यहाँ पर AP, GC के bases होते हैं, double triple bond, and this will be the correct statement. Identify the correct statements. Okay, so we have to verify various parts. First one, the molality, which is given by the weight of the solute divided by the molar mass into what? By weight of the solvent in kilogram. So 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid divided by molar mass उसका 60 है into 1 by weight है 75 and kg में convert करना पड़ेगा. 2.5 into 30 ये हो जाएगा, ये भी कर 10 by 18. 1 by 18 is famous 55.55 ratio, which we have already discussed in the water wall. So this is equal to 0.555, the correct लाल मतलब the correct statement. The molarity of a solution containing 5 gram NaOH 450 ml solution. Molarity is given mass upon molar mass of the solute divided by volume of the solution in liters. Mass दिए है 5, molar mass of 40 and 0.45 to be substituted for the liter. ये 8 times हो जाएगा and on calculation we do get 0.278 molar, which is correct. Aquatic solution are more comfortable in cold water. नहीं, जब टेम्परेचर कम रहेगा तो solubility of dissolved oxygen कम होगा and the surviving will be difficult. गलत है. Solubility of gas increases or decreases pressure. No, in the result of case, solubility is directly proportional to the pressure. But ordinary mixture of A and B equal fraction of B is Na upon Na plus NB. Of course, गलत है. A and B on total moles आएगा. The correct will be only A and B. Option 4. Mixture of chloroform and acetone forms a solution with negative deviation from Brown's law due to Brown's law का negative deviation क्यों होता है? क्लोरोफॉर्म में डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शंस होते हैं and acetone में भी डाइपोल डाइपोल इंटरेक्शन होते हैं. But when they are mixed together, the oxygen and the hydrogen have the tendency to form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. जैसे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं, वेपर प्रेशर को डिक्रीज कर देते हैं, and it shows the negative deviation from the Gauss law. So the reason is of course due to the formation of H bond between acetone and chloroform, which is intermolecular. At 298 Kelvin, a certain buffer contains equal concentration of X minus NaHX. Equal concentration मतलब कि best buffer condition है. एक दिया हुआ मतलब क्लियर है कि ये बेसिक बफर है. बेसिक बफर बेस्ट बफर होगा when pH is equal to pKb. और pKb अगर 10 है तो pH 4 हो जाएगा. pH पूछा था, आंसर इज 4. Identify the incorrect statement. IUPAC of element. Atomic number 107 is unaccepted. Yes. Odd formula nil for 0 70 and m at the end. ये definitely correct statement. Largest and smallest species among Mg, Mg2 plus Al, Al3 plus R. Okay. Now, cations तो normally smaller होते हैं than the anions and across the period अगर हम atomic size की बात करें it goes decrease. लार्जेस्ट इसमें Al नहीं होगा, मतलब यही आपका इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है, तो यही आपका आंसर है क्योंकि यहाँ पर आना चाहिए Mg. कटायन में ये हो जाएगा उल्टा Al3 प्लस. Similarity in behavior of lithium with magnesium is called diagonal relation. Verified. Oxidation state and covalency of aluminum in the complex given are. Aluminum can have only one oxidation state plus 3, fluorine say minus 1 or plus 2. Comparative correct है. Exchange difference है, यानी सब covalency states है, मतलब ये भी verified statement है. 18. Correct order of increasing metal character of sodium, beryllium, phosphorus, magnesium and silicon is. अब यहाँ पर सोडियम मैग्नीशियम आर द एस ऑफ मेटल्स जिसका मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर सबसे हाईएस्ट होता है और उनमें भी द अल्कली मेटल्स हैव मोर मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर. सोडियम तो डेफिनेटली ग्रेटर होगा, एक ऑप्शन रूल आउट. उसके बाद मैग्नीशियम होगा तो ये भी रूल आउट. बाकी में बेरिलियम, phosphorus and silicon. Phosphorus being a non-metal will have the least metallic character. तो लास्ट में आना चाहिए. तो ये भी ऑप्शन गया. आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1. रूल नाउ टेक्निक यूज कर सकते हैं एंड द क्वेश्चन वाज सिंपल. आईपी का है. longest chain 7 carbon का है. अब दोनों तरफ से ethyl and methyl are getting the same position. So in that scenario, you have to number it such that the ethyl or the substituent which comes first in the alphabetical order should also be given the number earlier. तो number उसको मिलना चाहिए. तो 3 cyclomethyl heptane is your answer. Option 3. Match the complex or the ion with the shape and geometry. Electron complexes with the coordination number 4 are square pinna. Nickel chloride with a -2 is your famous tetrahedral geometry. FeCO5 is having the Na5 वाला complex which is trigonal bipyramid. और ये coordination number 6 has to be octahedral. मतलब डायरेक्ट भी आप लोग करते हैं तो भी हो जाता है. So it's 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 2. Option 4 was answer. For the reaction R2 product, the plot of concentration versus time is a straight line with a negative slope. Concentration versus time, a negative slope, indicates a zero order reaction because RL is given as minus kT plus A naught equals to 80. This concentration term plotted on y-axis versus the time plotted on x-axis gives you y equal to mx plus c with a negative slope, confirms a zero order. Kinetics. Which is an ambident ligand. First, ethylene diamine tetraacid or the EDTA is the hexadentate ligand. Oxalate is OX, a bidentate. Ethane monoamide or ethylene diamide is bidentate. Thiocyanate is your ambidentate because the lone pair can be donated either through carbon or the sulfur. That is why it's an ambidentate ligand. Consider the reaction of 2A plus B giving you 2D. Delta U naught is minus 10, delta S naught is given at 298 Kelvin. Identify the correct option with delta G naught and spontaneity. Spontaneity calculation delta G naught नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. हम डेल्टा जी नॉट ढूंढने के लिए we have the formula of the Gibbs delta H naught minus T delta S. ये दिया है, ये नहीं दिया है, but आपको डेल्टा U दिया है. डेल्टा H naught is equal to delta U naught plus delta Ng. For this reaction, delta Ng is your -1 to -3 करके. delta U naught दिया हुआ है -10 kilojule. delta Ng -1. R is 8.314 into 298. जूल में आएगा 10⁻³ करना पड़ेगा, which will give you in joule. Now this calculation is somewhere close to 2.5 kilojoule. याद रख सकते थे. -10 minus 2.5 approximately -12.5 kilojoule में आ सकता है. Delta H naught. अब delta G naught is equal to -12.5 minus 298 into -44 joules में है. तो ये भी 10⁻³ ये भी किलोजूल, ये भी किलोजूल. -12.5 minus minus plus हो जाएगा and this calculation gives you 13.1. This is going to be positive as 0.6 के आसपास का value in kilojoules and being positive but non-spontaneous होता है. Spontaneous है, non-spontaneous positive value. Option 2.6 match हो रहा है. That's the answer. The correct formal charges on oxygen atoms numbered is was 2, 1, and 3 respectively. Now, ozone में the two oxygen atoms are joined by double bond. This oxygen having two lone pairs and even this having two lone pairs. When the third oxygen comes, oxygen number 1 donates its lone pair to the oxygen number 3, and here it acquires a positive formal charge, here a negative formal charge with 3 lone pairs. This being neutral has a formal charge of 0. 2 पे 0 है, यहाँ पे +1, यहाँ पे -1, 0 +1 -1 is the answer. Given reactions, identify the one for which Kp is not equal to Kc. Kp not equal to Kc कब होगा? जब डेल्टा एन जी जीरो नहीं होगा। पहले में डेल्टा एन जी जीरो, सेकेंड में जीरो, थर्ड में नहीं। ये बस प्रोसेस आंसर थर्ड ही है, यहाँ पर भी जीरो है। गिवन, now this is your RNAS equation given, उसमें इक्वेशन है जो ढूंढना था। तो ln of a is equal to minus e by r। ln है तो 2.303 नहीं लेना है, प्लस ln of a। On comparison of this equation with the RNAS equation, what we get is EA by R is equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to 4। अब सेकेंड गलत में मांगा है तो R की वैल्यू हैज टू बी टेकन एज 2। 1.987 दिया है, अप्रोक्सीमेट करें तो ये 2 टाइम्स लेकर 2.5 into 10 किलो कैलोरी, मतलब 25 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल इज द आंसर। 25, option number 4। The following two reaction give the same foul smelling product Z। इथाइल क्लोराइड X के साथ Z दे रहा है। अब X तो मुझे पता नहीं और Z भी नहीं पता, बट फाउल स्मेलिंग प्रोडक्ट मतलब कहीं ना कहीं आइसोसाइनेट से रिलेटेड है। नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज the propionamide plus bromine in presence of wedge minus। This is a happy word Hoffman's bromide degradation reaction जो कि आपका CO ग्रुप निकाल के प्राइमरी अमाइन इथाइलमाइन देगा। This one reaction with chloroform and KOH converts the primary amine into NC compound, which is a full smelling। This is your famous Hoffman's carbolamine reaction। अब ये Z compound अगर isocyanide है तो isocyanide can also be made by reacting the alkyl halide with silver cyanide। तो X और Z आपसे पूछा था AgCN and NC combination, option number 4। Match the list platinum complexes। ओके, यहाँ पे आइसोमेरिज्म रिलेट करना था तो PTNH3 थ्राइस, PTNH3 ट्वाइस, Cl2 बेसिकली Na2B2 है और स्क्वायर इन द कॉम्प्लेक्सेस Gi शो करते हैं। A will match with third। CO En thrice, MAA thrice can show the optical CONH3 5NO2 Cl2। Cl और NO2 इंटरचेंज हो सकते हैं, मत व्हील। ओके, इंटरचेंज हो सकते हैं, आयोनाइजेशन आइसोमर्स तो है ही है, उसके अलावा N2 can act as evident ligand and that is why the linkage can either happen through nitrogen or oxygen, henceforth। and ये Na6 वाला कॉम्प्लेक्स है with water aqua, तो ये सॉलिड आइसोमेरिज्म शो करेगा। तो third, then first, fourth to third, first, fourth to option 3 is the answer। So that's it. With that, we complete the discussion of the 2026 paper. Thank you. You can check your answers